Back here, catching calicos. Woohoo!
All right, gang. Watch
At
this.
the
This is
blowhole.
insane. We just
10
anchored
rocks.
up right outside of Cat Harbor. We're gonna go into Cat Harbor and have dinner tonight, but we decided to anchor up right out here on
Not
the
to
edge
make
of this
them quit
kelp that
biting,
just
like putting
started
on the
growing
camera.
here. So watch.
See,
You're
you
gonna
guys
see
quit
pretty
catching.
good bass fishing. I mean, it's not wide open, but we're getting lots of bites. The fish keep taking everyone into the kelp, but there's plenty of fish here. I want you guys to pay attention to this, watch what's going on, and enjoy this.
Going out.
And check it out at the end. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and let us know what you want to see. I'm out, like I say, every single day fishing. So
Throwing right on
there's
the edge
something
of the
you want to
kelp in
see,
there.
I probably already made a video, or I'm gonna make a video for you. So just watch it and check it all out and have fun.
And the bass are home. No, I want to just, I'm trying to film my... Got another fish, Brian? Look at you. Slime stick.
Oh, perfect!
Nice release.
Got your hook back! Woo!
Total professional release.
Now that's catch and release. Man, Obama would have loved you. What happened?
I don't know. I
I
suck.
saw you with the force right there.
Yeah.
Feeling it.
Do you know what I do on my days off? Go fishing. Isn't that weird?
It is. Little... Actually, what do you mean your days off? You don't work.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. I'm filming. My wife's gonna see this. Oh, you got him, Phil.
Which GoPro is that? Is that
The new
one?
7.
The 7. I have a 3 and a 6. Oh, not a prop. Big bass!
It's awfully quiet.
All right, gang. So make sure you check out the bottom of the page
What
here
is
and
going on
subscribe
here?
to this YouTube channel. I'm going to film anything you guys want to see, so make sure you let me know what you're looking for. And thanks for viewing tonight. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Keep an eye on this. We'll keep adding more and more videos as we go along here. Thanks for viewing. Your Saltwater Guide. And check out my website at yoursaltwaterguide.com. Thanks for viewing. Talk to you guys soon.